Bruh. 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 Bruh.
Hey, traders, what's up? Welcome to the normally scheduled stream, not the 3:30 to 4 a.m. stream my time, where we did hit 9,400 and change. We were trying to break the high, 19,400 and change. Can y'all hear me? Are we cool? Cool, dude?
Bruh.
DGB jumped across the creek with Rising 3 methods.
Rising 3 methods, dude. Let's go. Bullish continuation. Cardano monthly, right? We got 6-7 days left till that gets confirmed. I can't wait to see how that will perform if it ends up becoming like that, right? DGB Connect. Oh, let me share this real quick because this was like one of the last. Someone requested this on stream this morning, and wow, look what happened. Remember the target, $41. Yep, you broke the resistance. You started breaking it when I was live, and then, you know, I go to bed. Look what happened though. 4-hour candle hit the 1272, reversed, and then what happened? You back tested what was once resistance at support. This is the Bitcoin Cash Grayscale Trust. So it all started with a beautiful inverse head and shoulders, broke out, obviously exceeded targets, and is gone to the fib extensions. So very, very strong, dude. This is crazy. What's happening, man? DGB stuff. Well, let's see here. I'm sure if I don't. Oh my god. You need to give me a sec. Oh, yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, it's like falling wedge stuff, right? I mean, we were breaking out yesterday. You informed us, Matthew. You were like, I think you had TTS, or like, oh my god. And we did breaking news. And jump across the creek, yeah, you can call it that all you want. But what didn't we say? What was next, right? What has to happen on Digibyte? You know you're probably going to run and test 2.673 cents. You've pretty much done that. But what you have yet to do is break it. And if you break it, you're probably going to 3.695 cents. I mean, I think that's the target. I mean, really, right? If you're talking about weighing reward to risk and equitability of a trade being 3-to-1, like that's got to be it, right?
Our fearless leader putting in work.
Cheddar, thanks for the 3s, dude. Yeah, whatever. You know, it's just tis the season, right? Tis the time. This is like, you know, there aren't going to be other times during the year that I'll be, you know, that it will not warrant me doing this, right? Me streaming around the clock, you know. It's just a seasonal, cyclical thing for me, I guess. I'm learning, and it comes and goes, and so like you got to go. You gotta go hard when these markets go hard, right? I mean, that's what y'all want, I think. So, yeah, dude. DGB, break 2.6 cents. You can't settle for anything less than 3.69 cents, okay? That's it. That's like mission move stuff, too. You jump across the creek, but you've yet to break some serious resistance, man. In which you do it, it could be good. Bad news is, like, what happens if Bitcoin crashes or something? Is that head and shoulders? Good. We don't want that, man, okay? So let's keep Bitcoin going. Let's keep this this meta of everything doing things going, man. So Bitcoin's somehow back in the green. I mean, I don't know. I went to bed. I woke up like literally an hour ago. Like my schedule for sleep, chat, is screwed thanks to Bitcoin. It's like certified now, screwed on, yeah, sleep schedule. So the good news is, like, I guess at least, right, we were live here on this green candle, and then we weren't live for this red candle, and we weren't live for most of this candle, and now we have less than an hour, and we're going green again. So, all right, man, we're onto something. I like it. Well, yeah, a lot of, I mean, hey, Dow Jones Industrial, all-time highs. Jesus chimes, $30,000. That's huge, man. Yeah, I mean, I owe maybe one chug, but, you know, when I play the game, I'll pay it, you know. Yeah, Dollar Tree, the top gainer on the S&P 500. I've had no time to look at charts, really. No time. I mean, like, it's literally stream, sleep, wake up, get ready for stream. That's been my schedule. So you gotta understand that, okay? DLTR, killed it, man. Up 14%. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, dude. It's freaking gorgeous. Okay. You want to talk about supports tested. You talk about a creek here, right? A creek that was broken and back tested multiple times and just gapped up. Just killed it, man. So your next target's 116.24. Pretty simple, right? Pretty freaking simple stuff. I wish there was more to talk about. You got a gap here, you know, that would, you'd fill it at $98, but you think maybe you'll test 116 before selling off and then back testing $100 as support when it's been resistant so many times. If you do break, you know, this straight up, man, I mean, in a way, do we call it a rectangle? We could definitely call it some sort of freaking rectangle here. Right, the low point at $66 and the high point 116. I think if you were to break it, it's pretty simple, right? You go, you know, you go that high, the up thrust, oops, high to low, high to low. You tubly. Thank you for the $9.99 tubular, dude. Thank you for the it's a super sticker. It says thank you, man. Cheers, right back at you. So if Dollar Tree was to actually like break out and stuff, obvious targets, right? 135.79. We're doing it the same way we do Bitcoin Cash G or whatever, BCHG. Okay, 135.79 if you break out, but you're now just you hit pretty much the 88% retrace from the highest high in October to the lowest low. Got killed on earnings, man. This was a really nice like potential trade setup. I think we had like an ascending triangle or something going on, and then just like earnings killed it. That's what happens, man. So there you go, Dollar Tree killed it. Thanks. Yeah, on the other side of things, you got Best Buy that's down 7%. Worst performer on the S&P 500 today. That's okay, man. I mean, again, let's real quick. I just want to look at this because I think this is a big deal. I think this is huge, dude. I mean, we love crypto, but we love our retirement accounts, don't we? We love, you know, having investments and assets we don't have to worry about too much that have fundamental backing based on price to earnings, earnings per share. Right? We love that stuff. Like, that's why we're here. That's how I learned technical analysis from this market, right? From traditional market, and I'm trying to apply it to crypto. So we just want to say real quick, congratulations to Dow Jones Industrial, all investors, where you did break all-time highs today. It's beautiful, 30,000. Now there's a gap, probably going to fill, right? I mean, it's almost certain this gap will fill, as well as what, right? We've seen this a million times now, right? You gap up above a major ice line, so you have to, you know, knock out two birds with one stone. You fill the gap at the same time as back testing what was once resistance as support. You do two things, a great re-entry, and then it goes to moon. Okay, so to me, it almost just looks like it really looks like this. One of those insane flags, right? Where it's just, imagine we don't gap up right here. Say that's just a big green candle, which it pretty much is, right? If you're a crypto person, the gaps happen, stock market closes, and then you open higher, right? Just imagine that being a big green candle right there. This is like an upsloping bull flag, a high and tight bull flag. Dude, I'm telling you, if this actually somehow was to like play out, I mean, you got a 100% measure move on the Dow Jones Industrial if this goes. I mean, legit, dude, like talking. We're at all-time highs, man. We're at all-time highs. We broke in the early 2020 pre-COVID highs, right? So what is there to do, man? If you do that, you spend all this time churning, and you finally get back above it. You know, this presidential election stuff, and value gets the snapping, right? Where it just has a huge markup in price. This is it. 33,478 is your target eventually on the Dow Jones Industrial. If you can sustain prices above 29,564 long enough, okay? That's it. I know there's the upsloping channel, but you could break that. If money continues to rotate into value, there's a lot of upside on Dow Jones. Okay?
Bruh.
Very nice. I love the upsloping high and tight flags, as we've seen on Bitcoin many times in this parabolic run, right? Okay, so look at Bitcoin on the 4 hour. Let's look at it on the weekly real quick. That's the way we were sizing it up, because that's it. There's nothing else. right? Or what did it do? All it did was run up to test the highest level where traders have settled up in the history of Bitcoin on the weekly, 19,378. And what? All you did was test it and pull back. And when you pull back, not bad. Not violent, not complete rejection, not insanity, not scary. Just a mild pullback. To do what? To back test the high from November 21st. That was once resistance is now becoming support locally. Wow. So 40 minutes till your daily candle close. 5 days, 1 hour till this weekly close. Who knows where this candle's gonna be in 5 days? I'm telling you, if the bids keep coming in, I mean, you think we will test 19,894. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to be by Thanksgiving or not. But in 5 days, you think it's very, very possible with where we are. I mean, so possible, dude.
Bruh.
Psychological, man. I mean, the bulls won it. PayPal, Square, mass adoption, halvening, money printing, unlimited. 22% of the money that's out there in circulating supply, the US dollar, was created this year alone. All those variables. And then the continuation of institutional FOMOing. I mean, we're now getting like mass adoption FOMO, where it's like, oh, PayPal did it. Oh, well, we better do it now. A Webull now, right? Everyone can buy and sell crypto on Webull now, and I'm sure it's just that will continue. It's going to continue more and more, and it's going to surprise you. Oh, thanks for the sub. Thanks for all the new subs. Holy crap, we are less than 100. We are less than 100 subs away from 37,000. Yeah, dude, 90 or 89 subs away. So I think we could get to 37K by the end of the stream, possibly. Especially if enough hype happens. What's up, Sharkman? Oh wow, thanks for the 1,114 people tuned in. Good to see y'all again, right? I mean, we had like 2,000 people were watching this morning at a ridiculous hour, at least for me and my stream. So, hold on, the music good? This is a decent song. What's up, Dash? Hey, it's Dash, man. Dash killed it. But, you know, who's the star today? Who is the star? It's XLM. XLM's gone, dude. It's gone. It's broken major resistance. There is no resistance left, chat, until 27.855 cents. We talked about this, okay? This is it, man. You have to look at the weekly now. It's that serious. This asset right now is at 43.56%. Weekly closes, this green candle closes in 5 days. So who knows where it's going to be at that time. Extremely overbought. Record highs, 81.74, at least on this chart. On the Binance chart. I'm sure there's more data other places, but don't worry about it, man. I mean, yeah, there's the swing low from June of 2018, but you break that, man, it's just nothing. Nothing till 27.855 cents.
Didn't sleep yet. Sneering face. Let's break this 20K today.
What's up, Great Life? Thanks for the I don't know what that was, man. 368, I think it said. Yeah, thank you for 368 super chat. So this is the highlight, man. Oh God, I mean, in the end, you know, weekly, right? It was a trade setup, but I mean, that weekly right there, that was extremely nice. Textbook hidden bullish divergence on XLM at where? At a congestion area. That is the type of critical thinking that will get you really nice gains. If you look at this on, think about it, right? Hidden bullish divergence. So impending price action continuation on one of the most significant time scales at a previous congestion area, a very critical support. Boom, right? Now, coincide that with a bullish cipher pattern larger than your face on the 4 hour. So we got variables coinciding on different time scales. That is the ticket, man, for stuff like this. Last week, huge bullish engulfing candle, technical breakout, and now more technical breakouts. XLM, Jesus chimes, man, so good.
Look here! Look, listen!
Very good. Now its logo makes sense again, right? The rocket ship. No, we haven't looked at Ethereum yet. No, we're just like requests come in. We're looking at the S&P. Look at this XLM candle. Wow, look what it did on the 4 hours. Sold off, back tested 17.085 cents as support, and from there, miraculous rally. Though You don't know if it's going to go green or not. You got 35 minutes till this close. All right, let's go to Ethereum. I do want to go to Dash though, because we gotta prioritize. We gotta get XRP after Dash. You know, this thing blasted through $9,800, and that was the resistance, man. That was the major resistance. Once you broke that, you're thinking 133 would be tested. Hasn't yet now, which is interesting. You think in time it will. It really will test 133 to 137. Now, that was the target. If you broke $98 to $100, the target was 133. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. You don't like just take profit randomly in the middle, right? Where there's no, it doesn't make sense really, right? So that's it. It'll be there in time, you think. I mean, even it could come back test $100 again if Bitcoin dumps, but that's a 133, 137 target. All right, XRP, that is up on the day 14. Yeah, 14.31%, 70 cents. It hit 90 something cents. Not really much to look at. The technicals here, there's nothing to do. It's Rudy poo at this point. There was a time and place to do technical analysis on XRP, and it was an entry for a trade setup. That was it. There is no more technical analysis that can really be applied to XRP unless you look at the weekly. That's what we're having to do on all these assets, because they're just blowing past old highs and they're just running to the next ones. And so that's all we can talk about. So for instance, like XRP on the weekly here, all it did from the high from June 2019 to the low point, you hit a golden mean ratio, and that's exactly where you pull back. Golden mean ratio happened to be right around where that wick is, that wick high, sorry, too many wicks. September 24th, 2018, that week. September 17th, excuse me. So golden mean ratio, very nice, the 1618. But you think, I mean, if it was really gonna go, I already have, 86.421 cents, but we know on Coinbase it hit 90 cents. So kind of weird here on Binance, you know. I don't really chart XRP on Coinbase. Maybe I should start doing that. I don't know. Maybe there's enough data. I think a long time ago there wasn't. Hold on. Yeah, see, that's the problem with Coinbase. XRP data only goes back to March of 2019. That's why I've never done it, you know? So, look, yeah, that high, 92 cents. And just, unfortunately, I got to stick with something with a little bit more data, you know? Super chat not working? What? Chat, is that real? Super chat broken? Well... So futures have reopened. Sorry to even talk about it. There's so much to talk about, really. A good start. They're all up marginally. NASDAQ is up 0.35% on the new open. S&P 500 is up 0.18%, and then Dow Jones up 0.12%. Bitcoin up 0.44%. So 19,195 currently. You're about at spot price. It's like almost the same. There you go. So troll or fake news. Music too loud. Is that real? Well, get wrecked, dude.
Testing 123.
1, 2, 3. It worked? Okay. I mean, I can spin to add to debt, but that's it. You know, it's not like I'm playing right now.
Spin.
Sorry to get wrecked. Well, I had to change it anyway. It was just time. Where I was at on my other playlist was time was up. So I will need another audio check on this one, just because they're different sources. Stupid on the mixer, man. Contacts are killing me. I don't even know where I am. I don't know how does it feel. How is it 6:30 p.m. Eastern? You know, and I just woke up an hour and a half ago. This is crazy, dude. Okay, Duff, man. Gotcha. Yeah, it is loud. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. This should be okay, though. Right here.
SPIN.
Again, I can spin, but it's only for debt. Get wrecked, dude. Nothing. Another 3 a.m. stream tonight. Well, I'll probably be up at this point now. God. So, XRP, man, and absolutely almost biblical story the past couple days, or past couple weeks, right? 2 weeks, chat. 2 weeks. Appreciation and value from the beginning of the first week to the second week's highest point. We're talking 191% appreciation and value. That is so crypto, dude.
Bruh.
Okay, so XRP, Dash, XLM, killing it so hard right now. It's not just them though, man. Those are just the most notable ones, the ones that have been outperforming everything recently in the past day or two. I mean, it's so powerful. But then you go to we gotta go to Ethereum real quick. I'm just gonna knock it out. It's doing nothing today, like nothing. $604, very, very tame. Very tame compared to most of these lower cap S coins. It's crazy. We're just sitting at 604, just sitting right above that 382. Hey, on, man, let's go!
Anonymous tipped $100. Eat, sleep, pamper, pee. This is a scam also.
Thank you, Anon, for the scam. Thank you for the 100, dude. Wow. Big Cena, could please get some
Hype in the chat!
eat, sleep, trade, stream. That's been my life, man. Thank you, dude. Wow. So Ethereum, I mean, where you are, like besides the Fibonacci node, there's not really anything here. I mean, for real, dude. On the weekly, if you look at the weekly, it's joke. I mean, I get it. There's like that high from June 2018 at 628. That's not a real major swing high on the daily. You can't even really see it, especially on the weekly. Right? I mean, like, that'd be pathetic to reverse there. I don't think there's anything till 795. You go to the weekly. That's all you need to look at, man. I mean, no resistance. It's gone, dude. It's just sitting there. You know, mainnet launch will be happening December 1st for Ethereum 2.0. That was a legendary historical stream yesterday. We were able to cover it live as it happened. So good. I don't understand the question. How high is the inflation adjusted all-time high?
Inflation adjusted all-time high?
I'm not sure, man. If someone could get some info on that, I'd love to look at it, especially if we could look at it on a chart and give me a ticker. Oh, how will XRP go this bull run? I mean, it depends on when Bitcoin ends it, right? When Bitcoin decides it's over for XRP. So, what does that mean, Daniel? Let's go!
Bruh.
Holy crap, dude. What's happening?
Daniel Smith's tipped $100. Scam, scam, scam.
Thank you for the scams, dude. Daniel. Was that? Thank you, dude, for the scams, dude. The multiple scams. Are you talking about crypto's a scam? This is a vague pronoun, so I'm just wondering what you mean. Thank you, dude. Really, the 200 right there. Incredible. So really tough to answer the question, like, where will these altcoins go on the bull run when it's all based on Bitcoin? If Bitcoin's bull run, look, remember, Bitcoin has to confirm that the long-term trend is bullish still. And in order for it to do that, Bitcoin must break all-time highs. That's exactly what has to happen. All-time highs has to be broken. Eventually, there has to be a back test of it, or you fall back below it and then you rally and get back above it, right? But that hasn't happened yet. So you just got to remain grounded and understand that Bitcoin has not confirmed its long-term uptrend since its inception yet. Looking forward to that. I really am. That's why I'm live. Morning, day, afternoon, doesn't matter. To witness it. But we got to break that. We have to do that, and that's not occurred. So. The idea of money is a scam. Oh, is he talking about the US dollar, Daniel? Is that this? This is a scam, the US dollar? I mean, kind of. We still though got to, let's look at the scam, the DXY, right? Yeah, so weekly, let's just keep our eye on it. This is still the way I'm looking at it, okay? I mean, really. The DXY, bear pull, bear flag, you broke out, you back tested the bear flag as a resistance a couple weeks, and now you're starting to sell off 3 days until this close. You get it, right? Like, let me just tell you this. If DXY closed right now, like, let's say in seconds, and okay, Jesus Chimes weekly candle close, it would be the lowest level where traders settled up since the week of April 23rd, 2018. Spin the rigged arrogant wheel only for debt, sure. But I'm sorry, it's not going to happen. You wish. Get wrecked, dude. Thank you, J-Mo. Hey, what's up, Dean? Nice super sticker, bruh. Pink hair. Did you do that yourself, man? It says, thanks. Thank you, dude, for supporting the stream. 100% crowdsourced stream, no ads. No, I mean, nothing's monetized, right? And no affiliate marketing. So it's all 100% crowdsourced by you, the viewer. So thank y'all for that. What did Daniel say? Did he call the US dollar a scam? I think he did. No, maybe not yet. Oh yeah, your little girl, Nikki, picked it. Shout out to Nikki for the wonderful super sticker. Thank y'all for being awesome. What's up, Gavin Jameson? Thanks for the sub, dude. So, yeah, like at this point, you get that. That's not good for the DXY to be closing at its lowest level, all right, after bear pull, bear flag breakout. You don't even want to know, like, the bear pull. It's in line pretty much with Citibank. I'm telling you, dude, watch this. So Citibank's projection of the US dollar is 20% loss in value by the end of 2021, all right? A bear pull, bear flag breakout, 100% measure move isn't even close to that, okay? This is pretty much the target on the weekly, 84.73, but that's only down 8.7%, 8.4%, right? They're talking about down here. This is a 20% drawdown for the DXY, like $72, May of 2011 prices, 2008 levels, 2009 levels. That's where Citi is predicting or calling for the DXY to be by the year's end of next year, 2021. While Bitcoin, they say, would be at $318,000. Well, I could bet you if the DXY is down at these levels like they are predicting, which who knows, right? Which I think technically it makes perfect sense for it to be at least down here. Bitcoin would be at least at like 60K probably, minimum. I don't know about 318K, but I think Bitcoin will be substantially higher if the DXY actually respects the TA after double topping on the weekly. I mean, that is a huge double top, dude. From the high from 2001 to your low from the real estate crash, 2008, right? Banking crisis. Double top at like a 50%, 618. And you get it, right? You get what we're talking about. This is what the Fed wants, though. Right? We got another stimulus check coming out, no matter who's president. So it's irrelevant. Bitcoin doesn't care about the presidency. They do care about the Federal Reserve being fiscally responsible. And it's not just Bitcoin. It's people that know what's going on, like that is cause and effect. You just can't sustain money printing like that. It's devaluing the currency, robbing people of their wealth.
Dollar will be when BTC will top this new cycle.
Octavian, I could almost do this, dude. I mean, it's so close that I could almost just flip this chart and be like, Euro would be up here, right? I think the Euro would probably be in a bull pull, bull flag situation, right? Because, like, what? Doesn't the Euro make up, it's an aggregate, about 40% of the DXY? They're very similar. Similarly inverse correlated, right? One sec. Yep. Watch this, dude. You're going to lose your mind. The euro to the US dollar on the weekly. This is not a joke. Bull pull, bull flag. You've broken a resistance, a supply line from 2008 and 2014, pretty much February 2018. And look at you now, man. Just a little congestion area. a couple ice lines that once you break this, man, you're talking. I mean, there's like this one high, this little high. I think that would be the target probably. Eventually 1.28694. But if you broke that, wow, man, wow. We're talking on the euro. This thing could run up to 1.39751 cents. This is like a huge bullish dragon pattern on the weekly. Insanely large. Look at the divergence here on that second low, that higher low. It's beautiful. Back above all these critical areas. Yeah, dude. The euro's looking set for much higher prices. Once you break 1.19 cents, dude, there could be a huge markup. Okay. Yeah, and that makes sense with what the US dollar's doing, right? It's the dragon. Good question about the euro, dude. For real. Octavian Forex, $6.08 super chat. This is technically looking really good. If you're a Forex trader, at least, I mean, I get it. Forex trading really most times meant for swing trading, you know. But dude, if you look at this weekly chart, it's that like this weekly chart is really good for a Forex trader to know the context, so you can zoom in on the 4 hour and play those, right? Play those patterns, you know, respect the TA like you normally would. But this is just a great indicator that if you have a bullish argument on a less significant time scale and you've got the weekly backing you up, oh yeah, that means your probability is increased that it's gonna be the right call, right? That it goes up, not down. What's up, future man? Thank you, dude. Forex is fun, man. It respects the TA. It is the most efficient traders market. It is. Okay, so we've somehow jumped down the rabbit hole of currency pairs. And that's okay. If we want to shift back to crypto, because it's still a lot of stuff going on, man. I mean, you know, Cardano's up 7.4%. It was up much higher earlier. Look at this. You got to go the weekly to see it. Cardano, man, trade setup. You get it, right? You break 1.969 cents. Even on the daily, there's 23.581 cents, but on the weekly, man, 23.5 cents. I'm sorry, 19.6 cents. Okay, we tested a high on the daily. It's not even visible here on the weekly. I'm gonna hide that, make it only visible on the daily. In the 4 hour. Okay, so there is that high right there that you're expecting. Just some minor peak from July of 2018. Your candle body is not above it right now. You pulled back at it. That could be a potential reversal area. But hold on. Let's see, that shouldn't even be there really. So if you ever break 19.696 cents on this chart on Binance, there's nothing till 36.183 cents. It's pretty crazy, dude. And there you go, man. Where you had classic bullish divergence in April of 2020 at the bottom of a range, very good indicators. Guess what happened? You ended up in the end getting hidden bullish divergence on the weekly, just like we saw in XLM. Impending price action continuation to the upside. You got it, man. You got it. And you just have built your first positive histogram wick this week alone for the first time since August 24th. Right? Your first one, man. So the upside potential could be extremely good.
Hit 25 cents by the end of next year.
Is that a joint?
Varese, man. That is such a freaking stretch, dude. Let's get above 2 pennies. 2 pennies first on VeChain, all right? So that hidden bullish divergence is finally matured, and it's now the bulls have the ball on the weekly. This is the first week of it. So if you get volatile price action and Bitcoin doesn't crash, if the meta remains, there's a multi-month, multi-year bull trend ahead of us. I think what has to happen, Bitcoin has to break those all-time highs. That's what will pretty much confirm the validity of what's been going on this past year, this past 2020. We've been higher highs, higher lows. So that's it, man. What's going on the oscillators? You're just now getting to overbought. You're at 70. I mean, like on the dot, 70.5. So a lot of room to become overbought. And I mean, you got to understand the way these S coins go. When there's no resistance, they just go straight up. This is what you've been seeing it, man. You've been seeing these crazy markups, life-changing opportunities. I mean, if your life hadn't changed already based on what's happened the past 2 months, I don't know what to tell you, man. Like, I know a lot of your lives have changed positively the past 2 months of what they've done, okay? But I couldn't imagine the continuation of that life-changing price action on these coins, okay? It's just almost unfathomable. Okay, that's Cardano. I just want to get out of the way. VeChain, man. VeChain on the weekly, hidden bullish divergence, hadn't even gone green on the momentum yet. Oh my god, right? Impending price action, continuation, the upside being applied at the critical ice line. Perfect. Boom. So you're rallying, you got to break 1.7 cents, 1.992 cents.
Broken retested. Double top or just a breather until new highs.
5 PT, thanks for the 5 super chat. You're lucky that OMG's on the watch list. I don't even know why. I think because it had like a looked promising and then didn't and got wrecked. So yeah, you see what it's doing. It's probably going to test 1.7 cents, probably going to test 1.99 cents if this continues, right? The meta, but you've got to break it. See what we did? Price action correlation to that trend line, these trend lines. You up thrusted and failed and went to back test. That's great news, right? When you back test, you make a higher low. You confirm the validity of what was once resistance for so long is now support. Good. So now it's time to launch. So again, the breakout point for VeChain is 1.99 cents. If you break that resoundingly this time, the target is 2.6428 cents. And then we'll talk about it later. That could take weeks if it's going to play out, okay? So patience required. We're looking at the weekly. Great stuff going on. You're not even close, dude. You're just now sitting at 60 on the RSI on VeChain. The weekly looks extremely promising. The stage is set on VeChain's weekly to see 2.6428 cents if this bullish trend continues. If. That's a big if, man. It's all on Bitcoin. VeChain doesn't mean crap that Bitcoin crashes. If Bitcoin's bull run is over, it's not going to break all-time highs. But if Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, VeChain will probably, based on the weekly, what's going on here, see 2.6428 cents. Okay? Clip this. I don't care. That's the way it looks, man. Stage is set. Did Daniel ever say anything, man? Daniel, you out there, dude? Hey, what's up, Tomas, man? I'm just scrolling up real quick. You love the new glass mug? Yeah, it's a coffee mug, dude, right? I mean, it's just... I need to get my script art frosted on there. Gotta talk to the glass maker to etch that in for me. Okay. Daniel, what the heck, man? Leave me hanging. After dropping 2 C notes. So J-Mode, man.
True internet suffered the pressure.
Thanks for making the pockets deeper this year. Now spin.
Sure, dude. No check though. Get wrecked, and it would have only gone dead anyway. So no more dead. I'm good still. Still safe. Okay, OMG. Okay, we got less than 12 minutes now, chat, until your daily candle close on Bitcoin. OMG, it's on the cusp, man. Well, I mean, look at that. You know, in the end, the falling wedge. If you break out here, if you were on the cusp, OMG, if the Bitcoin does not crash, if altcoins, the meta doesn't change the way it is right now, OMG is about to break out. Okay, OMG is on the cusp of a huge markup in price where it's, if it breaks out above 439, you hear me, chat? You're out there. How many people are watching? Okay, 1,700 people pretty much watching. Understand on OMG, if this ice line breaks, this real fast could have a 10%, 15% day. Okay, where it just goes straight up from the breakout to the 382, and you'd have a 22% up day. Not even a joke. You're just knocking on it. You're knocking on the door. At the same time, if you can't break it, which you haven't, you're trying to break it. You're thrusting. It looks very strong, right? You're even like, you're back testing the inner part of the range as support right now, but you got to get above 439. At the same time, if you can't break it, if Bitcoin starts dumping and correcting, this is exactly a perfect reversal area for OMG. So you understand where we are is considered critical areas. if Bitcoin catches bids, if we keep going, if the party is rolling, the multi-month, multi-year bull trend continues on Bitcoin, that's where you're going, 536. Okay, if Bitcoin crashes, it's over for Bitcoin. We break the parabola line. Bitcoin didn't want to see all-time highs. You're easily going to $3.23. That's it. It's so easy. The OMG is so easy right now. Okay, yeah, a little bit of bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Won't matter if Bitcoin stays strong and OMG breaks out of the upside. It'll just get invalidated. So that's it. OMG off a really nice double bottom, falling wedge in the end. Love how you spring. Look how you sprung November 11th and then you back tested the spring, that low from September 2020. Beautiful. And then once you held it long enough, you were gone to the next resistance. So it's the same thing. It would do like what Dash is doing. It'll do what Zcash is doing. It'll do what all these altcoins like Cardano are doing. OMG is on deck for a major move. And it all depends on what Bitcoin does. That will determine where we go. 323 or 536, nothing else. Okay, there's your OMG analysis. Here's the thing about OMG. The 382, why? That's from your highest point, that crazy run up to 998 to your lowest point, the correction, which is an 88% retrace, is amazing. So great value areas down here. Wyckoff range. This is Wyckoff reaccumulation chat. Okay, that's exact, or just Wyckoff accumulation schematic. So you think, if this is it, it's going. You could also measure like moves and stuff. I don't know. I'd stick with Fibonacci. If it breaks 536, the target 625, where this huge impulse up could continue, right? I mean, you see just a couple wicks here, like that would be probably. So 536 is probably not where it would reverse. That's just a 38% retrace. You're thinking if it breaks the upside, it's going to go to 586 really fast. Okay. 586 is the target on OMG. Okay. Satisfied? Chat? Are we out there, Bueller? What's up, Ryan, man? Thanks for the sub, dude. What are we at now? Well, 70 more subs, chat. 70 more till 37,000. Let's try to get it this stream. So if you're out there enjoying the live stream, this coverage, this Bitcoin price action, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Okay. The road to 37K. 1,000 at a time, man. That's right, markets closed on Thursday and a half day on Friday, and Paul. That's right, thanks for the reminder. Yeah, so everyone knows. Okay. Okay, so moving on, that was a request. But I mean, just too much to talk about. I mean, too many things doing well. Let's go to NEO. That's up 7.3%. This is a trade setup. The third target of the trade setup was hit. It was $20.89. Right there. I mean, this is a perfect textbook. Will go down in history as a beautiful trade setup, right? A successful bullish butterfly trade setup, right? Where you're no higher than the third target. This trade setup was posted November 4th for patrons. Okay, everyone was pinged. Hey, Landon, what's up, dude? If you were a patron, all right. The entry was literally, when it was posted, 1424. Okay, at the congestion area, at the 1272 fib extension, the pattern part of the pattern completion zone of the bullish butterfly. There was a steel wall of support resistance looking left. So that's what gave me confidence to believe it would not go to the 1414, the 1618 fib extension, which is part of the PCZ of the butterfly. It's a little bit trickier. But again, historical context sets you free in these situations. Yeah, and I also had the 4 hour, I think, daily bullish divergence at this level too. What's up, Joel, dude? Thank you for the sub, man. All right, so entry, November 4th. New patrons that joined in November on the 1st, they got this. No problem. Boom. Right, all three targets hit. So you would ask the question, what now? What now if all the targets are hit? Well, you're thinking eventually $23 is the 786, which is the C, all right? And then after that will be 2586. If it broke 2586, you're going to 2924, probably the 1272 pip extension of the bullish butterfly. Okay, that's it, man. So big Jesus chimes for Neo. Another successful trade setup this month. It's been beautiful, man. This has been, wow, one of the best months for crypto trading. Holy crap. Well, it's been the best couple months, right, where we've had, trade setups in October, November, even just a couple that were in late September, which was legit the bottom for some of the altcoins. Some of the other altcoins didn't stop selling off like Neo until November, early November. We're going, man. I've been live now almost an hour, and we got less than 5 minutes till your daily candle close. I think you're gonna like the daily. Why? On Bitcoin. It's like a scuffed pseudo rising 3 methods, but also, more importantly, a real bullish engulfing candle is about to be confirmed. When 140 Neo, oh god, dude. Remember that time Neo topped out at 185? Unbelievable, dude. So we got a couple more minutes until we do the local on the 8s. So we looked at XRP, we looked at Solim, Dash. Let's look at Zcash real quick, almost 10%. Beautiful, dude. Freaking gorgeous. I mean, how could you even... Look at this, okay? You need to see this. We're about to play Jesus Chimes. Again. A freaking again, man. If I can find it. Okay, why? What happened? Oh, man. Okay, sorry. We're like $1 away now. $1 away, chat. So a Zcash trade setup was posted for patrons at everyone November 10th. This was tradable on the daily. We had bullish divergence. We were at the entry. It was a confirmation low at a congestion area from history, where we knew if you didn't hold this, you were going down to much lower prices. You did. You held it. And seller exhaustion at a critical ice line congestion area was it, man. That was all we needed to know. That's where the entry was. Okay, probability was on our side. Right? We weren't flipping a coin. We were flipping a weighted coin. And it was to our advantage. And now what? Let's be real. Like so 91.47 was his first target trade setup. 89.82. There you go, man. I mean that's how close we are to achieving the first target of this trade setup. Okay, on Zcash. Let's go, dude.
Bruh.
So I think you got a resistance, a supply line that will probably be regarded here at 95 bucks or so. That's even in the trade setup. But you're thinking, man, if it breaks that, then you're looking for 109.72. And then you're looking for 124.42, which is 124.42 would be a third target of the trade setup if you're in on Zcash. Okay. Oh my God, Altcoin's not working. Sorry, man. I gotta get in the habit of just doing it every time. We're almost at 19,200. All right, it's the local on the 8s. Oh my God, man. Yep. I'm fixing that right now. Okay. Don't know what the problem is. One sec. It's almost done. We're almost fixed on Altcoin. Okay. Altcoin will be ready now. Okay. Altcoin is 100% operational, like the Death Star. Okay. Great life. Try it on now. Bullish pin bar on Bitcoin. Kind of a weird spot for a bullish pin bar. You know, not really a strategic area where you're looking for pin bars, right? It's not at a bottom. Like a bullish pin bar, I don't know. I guess you could say yesterday was great. Let's go to Bitcoin now. We got less than a minute now. We got 1 minute now. And look, let's just talk about the elephant in the room here. What I was just talking about, the bullish engulfing candle, the highest level where traders are going to settle up with this entire rally today. 45 seconds. That's why we're here. Yes, I'm from the United States of America. As you can see, the flag. I love my country a lot. So you get it, bullish engulfing candle in the mix. On the daily, I don't believe there's any resistance. Only the weekly. Only the weekly what we tested and could not break. Then right now on the daily, it's no man's land. There is nothing till 19,650. What's up, Jonathan? Thanks for the sub, dude. That's it. 19,650 on the daily, but we're smart enough to look at the weekly to not get cocky, to understand on the weekly you must respect what 19,378 is. Jesus chimes, a new day has been born. Wonderful candle, wonderful daily close. Again, confirmed bullish engulfing candle at this time. Unfortunately, hey, great news, 5 days till the weekly candle close. So we tested it once this morning, or a few times really. We pulled back, but look where we are. We're just right at it. There's no major rejection yet. You get me? So if you break 19,378, you could assume, almost assume, right, that you're going straight up to 19,650, which is the highest level trader set it up on the daily. That's it, dude. After that, it would be all-time highs, undeniably. Okay.
How are we not at 600 likes yet? Let's get a like spike chat.
Thank you, DevTech Games, for the $5 super
Do you mind
chat.
taking a look at
Like
the
spike, yeah.
slash BTC pair and extrapolate on your thoughts? Much appreciated. 0.0090000088.
Oh, well, any BTC pair is $10 minimum. That's no matter what it is, right? $10 minimum for any S coin to BTC pair, because I don't look at them. I don't trade them. I only trade US dollar pairs because it takes all the thinking out. I only have to make 2 trades to settle up, not 4, which is what you're doing with Bitcoin pairs. I want to be able to sleep at night, right? If I'm in a BTC pair and it gets stopped out, the reason why it's getting stopped out is probably because the other pair is dumping. Bitcoin's dumping. So I get stopped out into an asset that's plummeting. So no thanks. That is why there's a $10 minimum on BTC pairs and major S coins, okay, that I've never heard of, or they're not on my watch list or something, okay? So sorry, dude. And that's not to, I mean, that's the rule. Like, that's precedence, okay? Oh, wow. First college football playoff rankings going on right now. Wow. Are you kidding me? While I'm live? I wonder who's number 1. The best team in the land. That's for sure. I gotta look at this, man. I at least have to have this on. I want to see with my own eyes. XLM just closed green. It's breaking out. XLM currently on the new day. Immediately is up almost 3%. Ridiculous, man. These altcoins. Oh, I can't find the video now. Stupid. Oh, there it is. We're going to look at VeChain. We're going to look at XLM again. I'm just keeping it on Bitcoin for a second just so we see what happens. Really nice 4-hour candle. Like, people were actually worried about when Bitcoin was at 18,846. And then, you know, in the last hour of, or last hour and a half of trading on this 4-hour candle, you got a great rally. What was once resistance has finally become support. Well, for now. That's what you did. That's what this candle is implying. Resistance and support. So it's time. So we go and we test 19,378 again. I don't understand. Why is this not? I hate the ESPN app. It's so buggy. There we go. Still buggy though. Oh my god. TA is fake. Thanks for the follow on Twitch, man. You might be following the wrong person if you think TA is fake at this point, dude. There's too much empirical evidence, right, that it's real. So yeah, guess what? Good XLM right now. that is up 6% now. Jeez. We're talking in 5 minutes, this asset is on a run. On a run, exceeding a 2618 of extension. We got to go to the daily. Dude, but just remember, don't you ever forget that legendary bullish Gartley from early 2019. We now have partners, right? That Gartley is now going to have a family of legendary harmonics in this crypto space. This XLM is insane. This XLM bullish cipher is at its performance like that is the Jesus, man. Undeniable harmonic validity in this market. Okay, you find a harmonic and it's in a good spot and you have a bunch of variables that line up, dude, your probability is higher that it's gonna play out. At least look at these conditions, you know. In another market condition, it would go up, hit targets, and then dump again to lower lows, but not in possibly a real major multi-month, multi-year uptrend for crypto, which we've just haven't had for 2.5 years. It's killing it, but it's crazy that from the highest high to the lowest low of that harmonic, that's Fibonacci anchoring, 2618 Fib extensions being tested right now.
It's China to me, China.
Go BTC, go ETH, D, 0.0069368788.
Is that a joint?
Great live. Thanks for the 421 of Ethereum. Really appreciate it, dude. Kings. What is it, man? What chart? What do you mean? Can I share the chart? In charts only. River Screw, what chart? What you talking about, dude? We need to have like a Patreon, like a charts of fame, you know, like ones that just really played out. I got you, dude. You were just being facetious, Daniel. I mean, I think managing your risk probably on OMG is pretty easy. I think anything below 4.15 cents is a stop out, and then you let it ride. It's continuation though, so it's not really like a value play. It's not like oh, we've got all these variables that are so strong. We're just playing the momentum. That's all you can do sometimes when things are running away like this for OMG. Dead chat, man.
Bruh.
So we're watching it, man. It's 20 cents. But remember, on the weekly, I'm just telling you, there's 5 days, 4 days or so, whatever, left until the close, weekly close. But for XLM, man, you have to understand, there is no resistance until 27.855 cents. So you just can't be surprised if somehow this asset achieves that. I mean, we're looking at just the way technicals work. I mean, there's no strategic area where someone who controls this market would be selling till 27.8 cents. So the weekly is all you need to see here, man, and it's insane. It's in wide open spaces right now. So. APO, Wallow, join the Discords. Do we even have a link, Brad? Are we even doing that right now? We had a bot attack. I single-handedly by myself was just slaying them. They were coming in. It was just me. Just you're banned, kid. You're banned. Just chopping their heads off. Okay. There were a lot of them. It was like I woke up and all of a sudden bot raids, and I'm like, okay. You know, like what? I'm still sleeping. What? Nope. And then I'm just banning, just destroying them, dude. Okay. Litecoin going forward too. Look at this, man. This market's so frothy. It's crazy, dude. Yeah, you got Litecoin up 1% on the day. You got ETC up 1.5%. Ethereum, though, is not doing anything. It is so tame. It's so tame, dude. But I'm telling you, you just can't. Please don't. Just because Bitcoin or Ethereum's being tame right now, you got to understand this very well at any time, like at this point. As long as you stay above $550, Ethereum, at any time, could start doing what all the other altcoins have done, based on technicals. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. That's it. That's the history you have. There is no history between above, like, really above $500. The only history between $500 and $800 is straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. So history would probably repeat itself, and eventually you could just get it straight up to $800, and you're going to be like, oh my god, this market's insane. But it's like, no, that's exactly the way it should be. That's exactly how TA it works on all markets. There is no resistance, and you recover and you reverse Wyckoff accumulation, whatever, double bottom. This is what happens, Larry.
This is what happens,
See what happens, Larry?
Single-handed wrecked.
They got wrecked, dude. The biggest joke ever. Okay. Thank you, dude, for the Super Saiyan, the power up, dude. Yeah, if you want to know more about like the variations and stuff, also BDE camps. You go to mitray. So it's mitray. What is it? mitrayta.com/balls. If you want to see like variations for the tip jar. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's just all in fun. But yeah, and it's weird. It's a weird. Oops, dang it, dudes. mitrayta.com. Right, I think /balls. Sorry, this is the link, dude. Right there. You just put that in your URL, and it'll take you to like the key. I'm pretty sure. Let me try it real quick. Does it work? Maybe it doesn't work. Oh, it works. Nice. Very, very nice. What's up, Kevin? Thanks for the sub, dude. Bob says Auburn will kill Alabama and the Iron Bowl. You must not have been watching college football this year, I guess. So yeah, if you want to look at it together real quick, it's pretty cool. Most people don't even know about it. Like, you know, the variations, like it's like $1 to almost $5, like XRP. Then you got Tron. I haven't updated the Tron logo. 420 is the Elon Tesla, ETC, right? Verge. I haven't updated that GIF. They're all animated. Zcash for 1212. Burst coin. Someone paid me to get that made for them. So 777 only variation. The Monero, Irwin Coffee. These are kind of outdated a little bit. 23 is a Nike logo now. 2424 is more power, Super Saiyan power ups, right? VeChain, Ethereum, bigger Zcash, you know, Super Saiyan God level, I think, and it just keeps going, right? So all kinds of crazy stuff. And then 420, that's the best one, right? The best emoji balls, Elon. You know.
Is that a joint?
And then it goes to Tesla. So, and then you get the super Jesus chimes. So I don't know, man. I've never really even showed that on stream before, and it's like so hidden. It's never advertised. So there you go, man. They haven't called the 1 through 4 yet. I'm sure it's like Alabama, Notre Dame, Ohio State, and then maybe Clemson again. I don't know. Yeah, I think Cardano might be broken. XLM might be broken too. I'm pretty sure on Altcoin. Okay, so just like don't forget about Ethereum that can have a huge markup in price in a very short period of time, where we are contextually based on support resistance. Okay, XLM's up. My God, it's up 10% almost now. This is absolute insanity, but it makes all the sense in the world with what we know about history. There's nothing till 27 cents, so it could just keep doing this. Crazy stuff. Florida's number 6. Wow, about 44 subs away from 37,000. We could do it. I think if everyone in here that wasn't a subbed, we could see 37,000 subs by the end of the stream. Wow, A&M's number 5. Texas A&M's number 5. Wow. It's got to be Clemson, right? 4. What's up, Austin, man? Thanks for the sub. Oh man, do we have someone who's you have that much hate in your heart, dude? Aw. Johnny Manziel going nuts, dude. Is that what it is? What's up, Jabril? Thanks for the sub, dude. Imagine wasting your time being a hater, dude, when you could just be empowering your own life, building a future for yourself, but I guess you've already given up, huh? What's up, T-Zen, dude? Thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome. We got a sub train going on. Alabama #1, easy. Why are they doing it like that? 6-5, then 1. What's up, Grayson, dude? Thank you. Notre Dame #2, no surprise. So it's gonna be like Clemson, Ohio State. Oh, there's a controversy, man. Feel free to join the Discord. We got a link for you. Clemson's #3, so there you have it. Ohio State #4. Yep, that's really no surprise. I guess the first week is not going to be like that. I'm going to pin that one. Huh, I'll hit 50K by 2021. I don't know, man. Probably not. It's What do you say, DGB come home? Sub Alejandro, thanks, man. Yeah, it's pumping. Oh my god, it's up 20% on the day. What? Yeah, it is time to come home, right? This was it, dude. The DGB's target. You got to break 2.6 cents, but if you do, man, it's gonna be off. I mean, you think checkpoint would be like 31 cents, and then after that, like 3.1 cents, and then 3.695 cents after that. So, yeah, all on Bitcoin though. Like if Bitcoin crashes, if the party's over for Bitcoin, it's over for DGB, and ends up just being this insanely large, like head and shoulders crap, right? Like flip this chart over. Oh my God, neckline here. Good news is you're in an uptrend, I guess. So. Okay, so it's 5%. I'm at an alert or something. Something crazy happens, man. Like when we're like closing 22 cents, 21.5 cents. We're going. All these are at the mercy of Bitcoin, probably in the short term. I don't know. I mean, they've been getting them out of there, and as long as Bitcoin doesn't crash, or as long as it's not volatile, I'm talking like Bitcoin this morning when it broke to the upside. All these altcoins had these major scam wicks. Bitcoin has officially not broken nor tested all-time highs yet. Depending on what you think is all-time high, where traders settled up on the daily, we have tested that this morning, and we have been unable to break it. That price is 19,378. Okay, we haven't broken that. Only tested and failed. Asia is awake. It's the morning, so hopefully they're just getting their coffee. 19,200 right now on Bitcoin. This is it, man. All right, all you need to see is the weekly. Okay, you broke the 886. You back tested it even. And you touched it like the Jesus, and then you've rallied off of it. That's pretty crazy, right? The 886. And we know exactly where we're going if we ever break all-time highs. Our fib extension from the high to low, we're talking 24,448, 26,828, and the gold mean ratio, the 1618, is $30,247. So that's it. Taco, nice mouth breathing. What do you? Stop guessing. Who's guessing, dude? Literally, no one's guessing here. Only you are. Yeah, this is my first cup of coffee since I woke up, so I might need another one, especially where to keep this going. Which I think I'm now a part of the matrix, right, chat? I am a chart. I have become chart. Yeah, imagine if you had a nice life, Taco. No, I don't. You see, you don't understand what technical analysis even is. You're just some random loser, right? That is mad and upset that I can live the dream. And technical analysis was never about predicting things. Technical analysis is there to help you manage your risk, help you learn about position sizing, right? You must gain an edge on the market, then you must have an equitable position size, 3-to-1 minimum, and then, right, so risk management, position sizing, technical analysis, the holy grail, the holy trinity right there of what this community is about. So, and guess what, dude? If I didn't know what I was doing, then why are there 480 people constantly continuing to support what I do, what I'm teaching? Yeah, why don't you ask them? Chat, we got haters. We got haters that they come in because of price action. They've never been here before, and we're here 7 days a week, and they think they know what they're talking about. It's crazy, dude. Dream home, loft, condo, single family. I don't know, man. I'm so paralyzed by like figuring out what I want to do. I'm just, I'm like stuck. Like where I'm at. Like, do I want to move to the city with a civil unrest and crap going on? Do I, there's, you know what happened this week? We got the lowest supply. It's a record supply issue, like the lowest supply of homes, existing homes that exist in the U.S. market right now. That's crazy too. So it's like making me not want to part ways with my house to buy into a high market. It's tough, man. Well, thanks for the 1,860 people tuned in. Wow, thank y'all. Yeah, big time. So again, Bitcoin has spent this morning testing pretty much the last major. It is the last area where traders settled up. There is no more area. Like the monthly, there's nothing higher where traders settled up. The 4 hour, there's nothing left. It is only the weekly. The weekly is it. The daily, you're past everything. The 4 hour, you're past everything. The monthly, you're past everything. This is it, dude. 19,378. Yeah, drinking coffee, man. I had to chug a couple coffees this morning. The coffee drink troll showed up. It's pretty funny. I needed it though. He kept the stream going, man. If it wasn't for the coffee drink troll this morning, we would have not have done a marathon stream. It ended up almost being like 6 hours, dude. It's crazy. So we're just waiting for a little price action. The only price action that's been going on the new day, it's been around for 22 minutes, is XLM. Tron's up about 1%. ADA is up 1%. ETC's up 0.27%. That's it, man. Not much of any other price action besides that. What's up, Zalo? Oh, these TA haters are so ignorant. Read a book. It's not even that, man. It's just like they come in and they see me live and they're in their mind they think like, oh, I'm just here because price action like them, when in fact I have video evidence that I'm here 7 days a week no matter what the price action does, trying to help people, teaching them how to invest in themselves and provide a better life for them and their families possibly. That's what technical analysis trading, the proper system, if you implement it in your life, can give you a better time on this planet, okay, financially. And that's kind of where I come in. So John, Charles, XRP News. I don't know, dude. This is not an XRP News channel, but the news is XRP has appreciated in value in like less than 2 weeks, almost 200%. At its highest point. Pretty crazy. Yeah, as soon as we went to a bear market, all those people disappear and they come back, right? And they've missed out on everything. That's what's crazy, dude. So still, man, just keep an eye on Digibuy. That's up 3%. It's a, S coin, but Matthew D loves it. it looks technically pretty freaking poised. I think if you do break 2.673 cents, it could have a huge markup. Just like OMG could have a huge markup too, right? Odd and alert. We hear the beep. Time to moon. Algo running. There's been some decent, really good looking micro S coins that we've looked at. People requested them. They looked set and poised for much higher prices. You gotta like it, man. You got to be happy about it. What's up, Telma? Thanks for the sub, dude. Right, I mean, yeah, no, dude. I think someone immediately accidentally. They don't know who you are. Amin's been around forever. Amin Kwan. So just be cool with him. We got about 16, 17 more subscribers till 37,000. Chat, we could do it, man. We can get over the goal line. We're almost there. V is one of the oldest cryptos. Is that true? It looks poised, man. Yeah, OMG, and then Theta, also another one that, man, what a freaking ripoff. Whoops, what the heck? Sorry. What a freaking ripoff on Theta. Dude, you gotta see this. How, you want to talk about biggest piece of crap in terms of, look. What's so wonderful though, I mean, you can't even make this up. This trade setup was created live on stream. There was an educational segment on this about risk management, exactly what I'm trying to teach. Okay. Entry was exactly where we were, right? Like November 7th. We gotta find it. We gotta go back in the archives and clip it. Because it's educational.
Time next year. Give me a spin. It's a chug. Sorry.
No, it's not, Toasty. You can't be arrogant to the arrogant will. It negates the arrogance. Dang, dude. Wow, that's pretty bad. I guess it doesn't negate. Good God. Okay, so I owe like I think 2 chugs now maybe on the debt. Whenever I play again. I don't know when that is. Some point. A few days or something, maybe Patreon night. But ouch. That one really hurt right in the feels. It's definitely a chug bank growing. Yeah, that's it, Tony, man. You need, yeah, see, no, now y'all are breaking the rules. Y'all broken the system, the wheel. You have to be arrogant. DGB's breaking out right now. I'm watching it. I'm literally staring at it, and it's doing things. Chat. It's up almost 5% now on the new day. Bitcoin's doing nothing. 19,173. We've covered it multiple times today. So anyway, Theta. You know, this was it, dude. It was like the entry was where we were on stream. We're saying, all right, we had already done all this price action crap, right, and stayed above the high. And so we knew low risk. We knew how to manage our risk. Anything below that area, you don't want anything to do with it. Okay, you're playing the bull pull bull flag. What happened? Intra candle, intraday yesterday, ran up and did what? Hit the first target of the trade setup, and then violently pulled back, and then really never broke out. I mean, you didn't get even confirmation breakout. Thanks, Bitcoin. But how incredible is that? Where it's probably not over for Theta. Eventually it'll run up there and get a candle close above it. If you break that 79 cents, you're getting the second and third targets. It's freaking beautiful, dude. Thank you, bots, for respecting the TA so freaking well. Let's see. Got it somewhere. Maybe not. We just need to, so we need to go back to that stream and find the educational segment so we can put it in the Patreon. It was a chart publication. Yeah, dude, too easy. Too freaking easy. Here it is, all right? Here's your proof, whatever. Right? So pretty much entry was where you were. Okay. Boom. 1 wick. Touched it. You're done. But I don't even know, man. There may have been, it may have been up there for a couple hours or something, but it's, you know, that's it. So great news on Theta. I'm at another alert, maybe, you know. I don't think my alert went off. It's ridiculous. Maker, same thing, dude, right? $2 away from getting stopped out, and it's just at the first profit-taking level. Rightly so, right? Spending time there. Can't break it, man. It's a saxophone. Oh yeah, here we go, man. 2.7 cents. DGB breakout. Breaking out. I'm considering this a breakout. Well, it already broke out, of course.
Waiting for that leap on Zilliqa.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, I released Kraken. Thanks for the 420, dude. Yeah, Zilliqa. Can't even believe it, right? Oh wow, there's 22K in the chat. Holy crap, he changed his name again. You're getting arrogant, man. You're getting more arrogant than the freaking wheel. 22K. You calm down, man. You could start seeing a major markup. Like, it could start mooning. Like, it could just start going, man. So keep on it, man. Let's go to total real quick. Yes, I like totals. Is he saying totals or totals? Bitcoin, crypto, total, turtles, market cap. We're sitting currently at 570 billion. That's nice, man. That's really nice. We're back at it. Okay. Yep. I mean, you break this, chat. I mean, if you break it for real, 623. $623 billion market cap in crypto. That means we're at all-time highs on Bitcoin, most likely. High probability that's the case. Okay? Look at this, man. Look at the volume. That's what's so crazy about Total. The volume signature on this breakout. Hey, man, we're going to break out of the ascending broadening wedge, the structure we've been in since freaking May, early May. And we're gonna have extremely high volume on the breakout. I think that's amazing, dude, but that's just me. Maybe I'm crazy, dude. Yeah, we got XLM up 10.45 cents, continuing to climb. It's up 21.568 cents. It is just gone, and there's no technical resistance where XLM really is until 27.8 cents. So it kind of makes sense that it could melt up. Really. Hello? Are you there, dude? Well, I think we're getting close, man. What's up, Anthony Mendez? Thanks, dude. Still saying, like, now it's saying I need, like, 20 subs till 37K. I don't know if we'll get that. 20 subs, chat. And 1,800 people tuned in, pretty much. 805 likes, wow. Well, I think we're streaking, dude. We're going on a major streak of 1,000 plus stream, 1,000 like streams, dude, constantly. Over 10,000 views. Comp, nah. Fishhead. Comp's one of the S-coins, remember, it's $10 minimum. No ifs, ands, or buts. No exceptions.
Have you taken a look at Compound lately? Looks like it just broke above the baseline.
Oh, we got 20K and 22K in the chat. Alright, Maker, if you break 606, you have to understand it's probably going to have a huge markup where it could go on a 20-30% gain day. Not even kidding. If Maker breaks $606, chat, you're most likely, with a high probability, going to $736 in time. But it may happen very, very fast. So you've been warned on Maker. First target of the trade setup hit. You were $2 away from getting stopped out, but it never happened. You did not get stopped out. We have that proof. So you break it. That's where more tendies
Wasn't sure if it was a watch
occur.
list point.
And that would be second, third targets, right? Maker. Nah, unfortunately, Compound is not. Well, fortunately, maybe it's not, right? So I'm just talking about Maker here. If you don't know, and I'm talking, if you're newer, this was a trade setup where I was playing a range, near the bottom of the range, inverse head and shoulders potentially. It was potential. It wasn't a real one, and it's so crazy. It went up and failed. It failed. Hold on a sec. Yeah, we'll look at high. Major tendies. It's crypto related, right? Yeah, yep. Toronto Stock Exchange. So yeah, like, boom. Watch this, man. It's like,
Hey brother, can you check in on TSX for me? Major tendies on this one.
yeah, we'll look. What's up?
Mitch,
Louis
it's
Felipe.
always fun to hang out with you and the gang. Is this real life?
Bruh.
Yeah, it's real life. Bitcoin's at 19,220. You can stop pinching yourself. Yeah, it's real. Thank you, dude. And Maker not getting stopped out by $2 is also real and crazy, dude.
Day3, the official Day3 smile of the streams. Keep up the great
Wow,
work.
EB. Thanks for the day 3 of contributions. He said he was going to tip me 365 days in a row. So he's on day 3 now, chat. We'll see if that works. We'll see where he's at in 150 days or even 100 days. So why did I pick that as the stop below that area? It's the ice line. It's like you just look left, man. Look, the lows here, the high here, right, from July. Lows, or highs, lows, 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 already lows, right? That's why the stop loss was strategically placed where it was. Thank God, right? Thank God for no more scamminess. And now, since then, first target, right? First target's here. The second target is what? It's in the middle of that run, right? It's just it's a Fibonacci node, I believe, where I will go from a high to a low, just in case, man, because it may not. Like, what if Bitcoin crashes while Maker's on the way? Well, then you get a target insured before you never see 736 because the bull cycle's over because Bitcoin said so. And that's what we have. The way we have to kind of look at these altcoin charts. So third target, yeah, is 736. Which is the next real major target where you think it would run to if it broke. Okay. There's DGB. Let's go to it. Let's go to it, man. We're getting the break. The breakout's already happening. We're monitoring it. Here we go, chat. All right. DGB, beautiful bullish breakout of a falling wedge pattern, breaking the resistance from history May, and you're hitting a 50% retrace. But to us, I think the minimum, you'd say, you think this is not going to stop here. This is going to go to at least 3 cents. Just where traders settled up on the daily, September 19th. But really, man, you're thinking the target's 3.695 cents again. Okay, DGB is definitely doing things. You got to love it, man. Going to add another freaking alert. Okay, really, 2.9 cents above that previous week high. It's not over, man. It's not over for these altcoins. If you want to know my computer rig, my setup, twitch.tv/MitchRayTA, all the specs are there. Like if you scroll down and you look in the description or whatever on twitch.tv/MitchRayTA, you'll see everything that I own PC wise, okay? Except monitors. It's just like, it goes into just my PC itself. Hey, good news, the Hey song didn't get the stream blocked. Not everywhere anyway, right? Yeah, be sure to follow me on Twitter too. Twitter.com/MitchRayTA. It's all uniform, right? MitchRayTA everywhere. Instagram, Twitter, Patreon, Twitch, all the same. What laptop? I use a Republic of Gamers or Asus Zephyrus. The Zephyrus, man. Okay, back to other part of the market, right? Cardano, it's up 3.3%, really rallying right now, trying to engulf. Already working on it, man. Look, you think you're going to 1.8, or sorry, 18 cents again, 18.2 cents again if you're above 1 or 16.9 cents. That's probably where you're headed, man. Assuming Bitcoin doesn't like crash or anything.
Did you buy it as a true hummus?
Hummus Connect. Thank you, dude, for the 3s. Better on it, man.
True internet
Monitoring.
under pressure.
Have you checked Uniswap?
Every day, someone requests it every day, and every day it doesn't move. Yep, still doing nothing. The same thing. It's not much data at all. Like barely any data. So trying to do what I can to analyze it, and you hit a 382. You're thinking if this sustains and Bitcoin doesn't dump, and I don't know, like it's a DeFi, right? So I don't know what it's going to do. It's not doing well. It bullishly engulfed 2 days ago. And so that means, like, is it going to, if you were to get fall through and run to the upside and not reverse to the 382, then you're thinking the next target's 531. If it ever broke 531, then the target would probably be 688. It's just not done that. It's not doing anything. It's just sitting there, catching no bids. So ticking time bomb. No idea when it's going to end for Uni. It breaks up or down. It's not performing well now, which is kind of sad. Like, you don't want to be, I mean, why do you want to be in an asset that is underperforming the collective market in performance, right? Because like when the hammer comes down, dude, it's going to outperform in selling. It's going to sell off much harder. I don't know how many Bitcoins are mined each month, chat. It's a great question. Might be. I don't know. Yeah, it broke out already, but we already had targets for Algo. Remember, this was looked at on stream long before the move up. Targets already here. 50 cents is a target, 55.5 cents, 64.52 cents. Wonderful way to target. And that was it, dude. Algo. Great way to size it up. Made a higher low, had broke the downsloping resistance. It back tested a little bit, engulfed on the daily, and yeah, you're running. You're running in minimum. You will not settle for any price below 49 to 50 cents, which is the next resistance from February. Okay, Algo, yes, it broke out already many days ago, like a week ago. It pretty much broke out. So it's just continuing on, man, continuing on its journey to the upside, and we'll eventually see 50 cents book it.
Bruh.
And alert, when we hear the beep, we'll know it's come home. Algo, dude. 27,000 Bitcoins mined per month. Okay, that's a lot of Bitcoin, right? Is it true though? Is it true that like PayPal and Square are just acquiring all those mined Bitcoins? They're just doing everything they can just to gobble them up. Is that true? 900 Bitcoin per day. Okay. Nothing surprising really on Algo. PayPal is buying more than 900 a day, so that means more than Bitcoin, new Bitcoin's minted.
On that watch list. What's you thinking? You're the man. S-Coin stream for life.
What's up, dude? Thank you, Fisher, for the TN. Not sure. I think I've looked at it before, but I don't know like which one. It was just US dollar, tether. Okay, I guess we just look on Coinbase, I guess. Well, it's back. It's above a critical area. This is good. I mean, for the little data we have, comp right now is springing, attempting to kind of back test the spring. Low risk areas. If this holds, if you hold above 120, it's very easy to manage your risk here. Extremely easy. Okay. We know we want nothing to do with comp below that previous low from August 2020, but we're just above it. So perfect. So it's a perfect time, and very easy to have a pretty tight stop, and I think you wouldn't settle for anything until $217. That's it. It's very, very easy, and you have such leeway on how loose you want your stop loss to be. Now the fact that we're back above it, you do not want to see it. If we get stopped out, that means it's back below the ice line. We want nothing to do with it. So that's it on comp, the US dollar. Beautiful. And then your second target, very easy to size up here. Very easy to size up, duh, right? The next target would be 261, 62, the high from June. There you go. It's very, very easy to size this up. Okay. It's one of those, man. I hate it. Gonna have to redo that. I want to post it to patrons. I'm just gonna post it like this for now. See if I can get everything on there. No, it's not. Sorry, you. If you have to ask if it's on the watch list, you might as well just tip $10.
Is banned on your watch list, Mitch.
No, UGG. It's not. You get it? I understand why it's simple here. Very, very simple. Very low risk. Actually, it looks incredible. Like unbelievably well.
Are we winning, Mitch?
Is that a joint?
Brennan, yes, we're winning. Of course we are. Thanks for the 420, dude. You checked your portfolio lately? Yeah, it's crazy, dude. It's literally insane. I can't even believe it. I feel like I'm dreaming still.
Thanks, Mitch. Can we take a look at band?
Sure. Thanks, dude. Yep, easy enough. Very, very easy. This is it, banned. Target 1060, 1230, 1618. You're on your way. You've already, well, you almost broke out. You had broken out. You were beginning to. Gosh dang, man. And then it pulled back. So it's fine. Once you break 751, it could just pump really hard. There's no resistance above that local high. So it's almost like inverse head and shoulder stuff. It's kind of hard. It's not really discernible, but it's momentum shifting. I really like that wick down and then the methodical low. It's almost like a double bottom according to bots, you know. And so confirmation low here. Bullish divergence. Yep, bullish divergence on the daily. Again, your targets. This has been the case. All right, this was posted for patrons a few days ago. So that's it. Banned. Bullish bat pattern. Pretty much hit the PCZ. That's it. Corn's pumping again? You mean real corn or Bitcoin? 19,225. Meh. I wouldn't call it a pump, dude.
True international under pressure.
Does
Is
your
that a joint?
Patreon show your chart parameters, MACD settings, color layout, etc. and my fibs don't match your fibs?
Yes.
I'll be joining the Patreon on the 1st.
J-Mike's, yes, it has all that, dude. All that stuff's pinned. Yep, in the Discord. Yes. Educational videos, clips from the stream, all the educational content, all kinds of
Can
stuff,
you
dude. It's
check
unlimited.
$DBX, please?
Dropbox, Hugo. I think this Dropbox. Yep. Oh, it's terrible, man. It's real bad. Well, I don't know. I
Can
mean,
you show the hedge?
Mark, I don't even know what that is, dude. So probably not. I can't. No idea. Dropbox is a terrible trend since its IPO in March 2018. So you're at a critical ice line, man. You fall below 1849, you're going to 1722. Right, so I really don't think you want to be below that. The good news is this could be a Wyckoff accumulation range, where we could be about to jump across a creek here. It's kind of tough though, man. Let's see, what we're doing on the bottom here. It's almost like a wedge, like a really nice looking wedge. Really tough, man. Hard to anchor there. I mean, it's almost. That's it, dude, right there. That's the creek. If you do that, if you can ever get a back above
ECH.
20 bucks, then you jump across the creek probability becomes real high, you see the top of the Wyckoff range again. Okay, this is a really nice looking Wyckoff range. Okay, oof, sellers just came in right there. So that's it, dudes. If it can hold 1849, then eventually it's going to rally to test the supply line of the creek. If it jumps across the creek, these are Wyckoff terms, you could see 2635. Obviously, I mean, the lowest risk area is probably 1722 if you're talking about a range. But it's just another way to be like, okay, just trying to size it up, trying to be educational here to teach people. I mean, it's pretty, maybe below that low from 2019 to be safe, and then you don't settle for anything until the top of the range. And if that's the case, then you can allot yourself a little bit, because remember, you want to be 3-to-1 reward to risk minimum, okay? Because 3-to-1 reward to risk means you only have to win 33% of your trades. If you're going 2-to-1 reward to risk on assets, then that means you have to win 50% of your trades. You just, no, dude, 33% is what you want to be, okay? Minimum, 3-to-1. Do you hear me? So, like, if you're at a low risk area, you understand a stop loss could be even below the August 2019 level, and your target you wouldn't settle for anything lower than 26 bucks, right? Because that's what makes it equitable, 3.69 to 1. That's the way one could size up drop box mine. All right, not the lowest risk. Probably, I mean, your lowest risk is here, but I mean, so it's like a spring, and you're back testing the spring. That's why you got to kind of like this. Spring, the back test of the spring. Okay? You know what I'm saying? Dropbox. Pretty freaking interesting there, huh? Thanks for the 1,778 people tuned in. We're 1 like away from 900. So I'm wondering, could we get 900 likes, man? Wow, we're at 37,001 subscribers. I think we've done it, chat. That's gonna come and go, probably. It's gonna go above, below, whatever. Jesus chimes for 37K. Some milestone. Every 1,000 subs is a milestone on YouTube, okay? So thank you all so much for supporting the stream. Let's go, dude. Keep the subs coming, dude, because we're 140K, of course, right? Sweet Hugo. Well, it looks like there might be a strategic area of entry on Dropbox. For real. I could publish these, but I can't because of the way TradingView is. What's up, Craig, man? Thank you, dude. I think I'm supposed to look at Hive or something first. Hold on.
True international effort to pressure.
Crevice, please, bra.
Yeah, thank you, Deanne. Hout, sorry. Yep. Hive, no surprise here, dude. No surprise at all. Right? Once you broke 60 cents, it melts up. BDE Camps 71, thanks for the 9.99 super chat. Appreciate it, dude. Filling up that coffee jar. Coffee mug, whatever. Yes, your Hive blockchain technology is once you broke resistance there. I mean, the next one was 80 cents. You're above 80 cents. You're at 86 cents. There's no resistance technically. Really? I mean, I'm kidding. I think your target on this asset, HVBTF, is 136. I know there's a high here. There is 79 cents. You could back test that, but you broke it. If you stay above that long enough, it's probably where you're going. 136. It's all in Bitcoin, right? I love the higher lows. The accumulation is so nice. Low risk for sure area. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash, pretty simple stuff. You broke above $352. Next target's $383. that's it. Right, you're above like a high, really from like August 2019, a high from March 2020, and you know the next target's 383. That's it, dude. That's where you normally go. If you break 383 though, you're going to 455, 513 after that. So, yep, it's just gone insane, right? It's up 1.61% today. Had a really nice run after back testing critical supports, resistances, right? It's been pretty good. Other assets have respected the TA a lot more than Bitcoin Cash, though. We're talking about divergence and being strategic in an entry and all that stuff. So like Litecoin, Ethereum, even XRP had better, I think, setups than Bitcoin Cash. But it's just rising like everything else. Crazy enough, man. Most things are green. Ethereum's just sitting down, 0.45%, sitting at $602. Just can't catch the bids right now. Crazy. So you're just right there, man, on totals, man. I like totals. 570. You got to break it, man. If you do, you could have a nice markup to $623 billion market cap. Big structure broken out. You're praying for Bitcoin here. I mean, Bitcoin's going to drive this, lead it up. So West, dude. Yes, XLM is on fire. It was up over 10% a little earlier. Let's pull back some.
Thanks for looking at it and all the knowledge learned over the years.
Thank you, Wes, for the 1532 super chat. Only 14 more likes for 1,000. Is that real? That is real. Holy crap. 12 likes for 1,000. Keeping the streak alive. Boom.
Is that a joint?
Oh, sorry, wrong button.
Bruh.
And we got less than 9 minutes still. 2-hour stream. We've already looked at Algo. Algo, like, has been looked at. It's been covered. Targets have already been set days ago. The stage was set, man. It was like that. This is where you're going if it continues, and it's continuing. It's been continuing. It's rallying. Yes. Not much more to look at.
True international under pressure.
Can I please get some of the sweet TA for $TH? GX asking for a friend.
Jesus challenge for 1,000 likes. Yeah, dude. David, thanks, man. Up in the chat. Interesting. Interesting-ish. I like how deep the retrace is, right? Anytime you look at an asset that's been in a correction like that, you always want to Fibonacci from low to high. Look, 88% retrace. I love that. Now, like at the 886 higher lows, like consecutive higher lows, add a deep retrace. The deepest retrace. So there's an 88% sale on THTX. If we're looking at, downtrends of any sort, I mean, I'm sure there's probably some sort of, downsloping resistance that's been broken, for sure. I think you're above that peak, right? Price action correlation throughout history. You're above it, man. You're pivoting, and that's really, really good. So it's almost like you have maybe an ascending triangle, some sort of, you kind of fell out of it though, right? If you anchor like that, you broke that demand line. But I think, so like how to manage your risk here is pretty simple, right? If you can hold above 208 long enough, you'll run to 288 again. If you ever break 288, well, man, based on history, anything above 288 is a huge markdown, huge markup, huge markdown. So that's all you need to know. We don't know if it's going to hold 208, but we know the longer it holds 208, God, the higher the probability becomes we eventually meander on up to test 288 again. And we know if you break 288, that's where a huge rally could occur. And that's where you could get just a common retrace from your high from May of 2018 to the low point. Common retrace. We're talking around $5 to $7.42. That's it. That's where this could go if you hold 208 long enough. All right. You don't want to fall below it. That's your danger zone. That's where you just get out. You say, nope, I want nothing to do with THCX below 208. That's it, dude. All right. Pretty simple. I don't need to plot a supply line. I'm sure you broke out. Doesn't mean enough, right, to care. Oh, chat, we got a new patron. Let's go, dude. Let's freaking go. Brian S, man. What? Dude, Brian. This is serious, man. He was already a patron. He just became an annual member. Thank you, Brian, so much. No, he's a new patron and he just became an annual member. Holy crap. Thank you so much, Daniel, dude. Or Daniel, my God. Brian, man, losing my mind, dude. I've been streaming longer than not streaming. Like, my whole life is streaming right now. It's been this way for days. So, thank you, Brian, dude. I'm losing my mind. That's huge, dude. That means a lot. Thank you for supporting the stream and invest in yourself. Join the, make sure you sync up your Patreon to the Discord. You got to be in the Discord. That's where all the value is, okay? Wow. Jeez. Big deal, Brian, man. Losing. We'll get the, we got him. Oh, no, we haven't. Jeez. Oh, it's an S-Coin. Oh, well, there's not any data here. There's nothing I can do, like, on stuff like this. Really. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, this is what, Deane wanted, So, big mysteries here, right? You tried to break out, you're double topping. And I guess the trader settled up right there. So you're just in the zone. So what was once resistance is becoming support, or you're at least attempting that. You do have some bullish divergence going on, at least on the MACD, not so much the RSI, where it does, if it does break, well, it's a good thing, right? This is what we know. You want nothing to do with CRV below 65 cents. Below 65 cents, it's a no-brainer. You're out. You're done. Okay. But if somehow, by the grace of God, CRV could hold 65 cents and stay above it long enough, that is where it could run again to higher prices. Hasn't done that. So it's all about the if. We don't know. But we know how to manage the risk.
12.65634706 BAT.
Johnny B Network, thanks for the $3 of BAT. 333 of BAT. Much love, man. Okay, so again, this is exactly where a double top happens and you could dump. If you fall below 65 cents, you could almost expect a price of 44.6 cents in a very fast amount of time, right? That's like what happens historically every time you fall below that, or you see what I'm saying? So if it holds, I think your first target would just be right back where you were, like that local high, right? If it held this, it would, your target minimum would be 91.8 cents. I mean, almost simply put, okay, just for the sake of education, pretty simple here. You want nothing to do with this crap below 65 cents. And the only thing you would settle for nothing lower than that local high, those couple highs up there. That's it. It's pretty simple. 3.79 to 1 world risk. You get stopped out, minimal losses, you're done. You're literally done. Who cares? Move on to the next one. But it's CRV to the US dollar. Isn't the CRV like a crappy Honda vehicle? Hopefully it's a little bit better than the CRV vehicle. So I don't know, dude. That's how you size it up. If you're wanting to go long on a back test of a breakout. That's it, dude. Okay? Honda roasted. Wind Honda Civic. Crap amount of coffee, man. This sucks. DGB flying? My alert hasn't gone off. But not that much, right? Oh, yeah, new Discord link. Sorry, just seeing that. Streaming in the Zone by Mitch Ray. There's a new Discord link. Join us, going on 9,000 members. Exploding in growth, of course, during these market conditions. It's always the case. Yep, we're less than 200 members away from 9,000. That's easily obtainable in the next couple days. Contact is killing me. It's like cutting my eyeball perfectly. Figure 682 joined the Discord moments ago. Thanks, dude. Well, welcome. Welcome all new Discord members. Alright. What's up, Kevin, man? Thanks for watching. So we're still on Bitcoin Cash. Let's go back to Bitcoin for a minute. Just remember, daily bullish engulfing candle was confirmed an hour and 5 minutes ago. Very good. Let's see if we get follow the price action off that daily bullish engulfing candle. Can we look at Mitch Ray TA token? I don't know. Someone had to send me the chart. We have, there's a Mitch Ray TA coin. If you don't know, it was made a couple years ago as a meme, literally a meme, and it still exists. It's on the Waves platform if you want to check it out. So again, the daily is not what we care about so much. We love that engulfing candle. We do. But nothing really matters anymore. On the 4-hour, the 60-minute, the monthly, it's all the weekly now. This is all that matters, okay? Because you're looking here at where traders settled up at their highest level of all time on any time scale. This is it. There's no other time scale where traders settled up higher than this. Right? No, okay. So the daily's a couple, like a few $100s higher. Sorry, the daily was. So if you ever broke 19,378 for real, the next target's 19,650 and change or whatever it was on the daily. So sorry about that. Yeah, you just have different settle ups on different time scales. So you can see we tested it, pulled back. Eventually, you think we would go at least, even if we're going to fail, we would go to double top intra, intra candles, like insignificant time scales or something. You test it once. Why don't we test again? But then break it. Yes, Ethereum is certainly sleeping. What is an engulfing candle? An engulfing candle is a candle that completely covers the previous red one, right? Or green one, depending if it's bearish, right? Very easy, right? You see this red candle here on the day of November 23rd? The next candle, this engulfed, this covered the previous candle's body. That's all it takes for a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, look, another bullish engulfing candle right here. Look, you had this red candle November 15th. On the 16th, you engulfed. And look at the fall through price action you received after that bullish engulfing candle, right? Nice fall through. That is a bullish engulfing candle. To answer your question, you asked. But you gotta love the parabolic line, man. It held like the Jesus. It was such a legendary candle. Pin barred too, kind of. Hidden bullish divergence. It's playing out. TA is being effing respected so well here, man. Such good TA respect. I almost want to cry. Tears of joy. I'm not online. Mitchray, or is it TA? No. Twitch.tv/MitchRay TA.
When you get a second, can you check IPL on TSX for me? Think we'll ever retrace to pre-COVID prices. Seems to be putting in good trend.
Yeah, nice range, man. Really, really nice range bound asset. I love it. I don't know, man. Like, nah. Like, if you hold, it doesn't matter if we know, right? All it's doing now is see, what sucks is there's no strategic entry for a long. Like, that was 1152, right? So if it tests 1462, that's a high risk for a long. It could reverse range bound, but kind of a bullish range because of the move before it. If it ever broke 1462, I think the target easily would be a gap fill at 1848. So I just don't know, man. Right, we're looking for entries at ice lines. You're well above the ice line. Of course, you tested it twice to boot. So this is probably going to meander on up to 1462, and then traders are going to take profit there. After that, I don't know. Thanks, Wes. Join the Discord or be destroyed in a positive way. Sorry, man. I'm trying to keep it together. That's been eat, sleep, trade, stream. Eat, sleep, trade, stream. Over and over and over again for many days. My sense of time is gone. I streamed for like 6 hours this morning, like from 3:30 my time to like 10 a.m. my time, and then went to bed immediately after, and then woke up at like 4 o'clock my time, and then my live stream time was at 5. I made it on like a minute or two late, so it's pretty much on time. And here we are again. Like, when I'm conscious, it's just been live. It's pretty crazy. How many Bitcoins in Satoshi's wallet? Great question. How many, chat? Nick, I've been doing this almost 3 years. If I would have gotten burnt out by doing this, it would have been a long, long time ago. So. So what was the answer? Satoshi's wallet. How many Bitcoins does he own? Be great. Send it, DGB. Come on. Bring it home, dude. Bring it home for Matthew D and patrons, man. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's why the beep hadn't gone off, right? DGB, the breakout. All right, we talked about the breakout. Look where you're going. This is what happens, Larry. My God.
See what happens, Larry?
Can you break resistance? 21 million in Satoshi in his wallet? What? That doesn't make sense. Because that's like how many there are total. What? We'll never have an answer, Tim Botan. There's never a reason to do a straw poll like that. When in the end there will never be a resolution. He owns 1 million Bitcoin. Okay. And Grayscale owns far more than he ever did, right? Isn't that the stat now for the fact? Is it really testing? I mean, yeah, it's just right at that high, that local high from October 1st. And once it breaks that, man, it's going to have another markup, another big one. It's just going to start. It's up almost 12% now on the day. You know, that's crypto gains, man. Farmer Sue, I got some sleep. Yep, not like probably the most, but definitely got a pretty adequate amount to keep it rolling while Bitcoin keeps it rolling. Where we need to break 19,378 by week's end, really by Thanksgiving, if you want to win the poll, right? We're like almost 800 of y'all voted on that poll. Will we test all-time highs by Thanksgiving? Yep, Tron, Mooning, ICX, and Narrow, they're all, many assets today are having a great one. You know, ZRX now up almost 5%. BNB hit target trade setup. Very nice. Yeah, well, a lot of love coming into these markets right now. No, it's just sitting there, dude. It's not moving. Wow. That's crazy. Oh, well, we will hear the beep in a minute. Okay. Buster, what about bands? Bands that make her dance. Remember, Patron did that? 2 cryptos. Band and maker. Bands that make her dance. Hilarious. Hilarious, dude. So J Chill, that's right, dude. Well, it's always in the house, man, because of me.
Noise!
Thank you for the hard work, brother. Bless all.
Pages, thanks for the $20 contribution. I really appreciate it. Litecoin in the coffee mug, man. Thank you for supporting the stream. What's up, Angus Donalds?
Noise!
Dang, dude.
Angus Donald super chatted $36.58. Big up, Smidge. Such a pleasure to watch your coverage of history in the making. Graduated from my degree today. It's a day to celebrate. Get yourself a cocktail once needed. DH. Angus from Tasmania.
Can we get a big round of applause for freaking Angus Donald, for getting his freaking degree today.
True international perfection.
I just felt like
Thank you, Angus, man. From Tasmania. We got a Tasmanians in here, man. I was always wondering that until this morning. I found out there are Tasmanians that watch the stream, and maybe picked a few up because of the weird time I streamed. So, thank you, dude. Congrats. Seriously.
Hype in the chat.
You just felt like spinning, J-Mub, dude? Well, here you go. Get wrecked. You must drink whenever you decide. Whenever the game's played, you owe.
Bruh.
So Bitcoin is just in Stuxville at 19,209. New stablecoin? Serious Kappas. Just kidding. Spinning Kappa right there. That's throwback, man. We haven't done that in a while. What do I say? I say that there is no long-term, ultra-long-term uptrend confirmation until we break all-time highs, which we haven't done yet. And we are very close, man. Just give it time. If it's gonna break, then yeah, we can confirm. But not yet. So don't get cocky, kid. But yeah, there will be celebration at all-time highs. We will do a spaceship stream if, like, say, for instance, I'm not live and I'm not live here and all-time highs hit. You know, spaceship stream. We'll be in the Gartley XL, flying through outer space. Okay. Digibyte mentioned on Fast Money 2017. Read. Back to DGB. It's killing it, dude. Killing it, dude. Sorry.
Gonna Subo and Patreon December 1st. One question, what do you drive?
I drive a BMW 535i. Rob, thank you for the 5 super chat, and thanks for the consideration. He says he's gonna join the Patreon on December 1st. The best time to join the Patreon and support the stream is the 1st, because the billing cycle's on the 1st. So if you're thinking about it, you're on the fence, just wait till the 1st to join. Okay, since it's the 24th now. Eric, thank you, man. And thanks so much, everyone, for the 1,000 likes again. And thanks for the 1,700 people pretty much here. Or 3 likes away from the 1,100 likes, so... There was after I went to sleep, yeah, Bitcoin spent the rest of the day while I was in my slumber, just selling off some. But hey, I woke up and it started going green again, so it feels good there. But now all that's happening is you back tested the resistance from November 21st as support and doing nothing, just waiting for volatile price action. I mean, doing something like that, you'd think you'd go, but it's all on the buyers and sellers. You don't know, man. No, they're not breakout. Never do. I never do breakout trade setups. That's not the way I do it. So, no. Because there are far more false breakouts that occur than real breakouts. No, we like looking for real low risk areas. We like strategic entries. I mean, you can breakout trade, but I think there are more efficient ways to trade. That's just my opinion, what I've learned. Sorry, audio loud. A little loud. Okay, Michael, you got your system, dude. I got mine. Okay, I swing trade. I don't breakout trade. So that song was it? Really? Am I a globalist? Yeah. Imagine a globalist that shows the American flag every day, right? On every screen, no matter where it is on stream. Always American flag, even in spaceship. So that should tell you, am I a globalist? What? Who even asked that? It's crazy, dude. Come on, DGB. Matthew D, what are you doing over there, man? Let's hear the beep. So yeah, I think we're good, man. 2 hour, 60-minute live stream. That's not bad, right? I mean, you know, we don't have much Bitcoin price action right now, but we have some alts doing some things, of course. But that's been just the continuation of this trend, really, right? Position already accumulated. That's right, dude. Just waiting for the moon blaze. What's up, Cal Pierce? Thanks for the sub, dude. Cheers. Yeah, you're in with the composite, man, as are we with many other assets, right? Dang, dude. Thanks for the, I don't know, 41 new subs in like 30 minutes on YouTube. Y'all are amazing. These are like June 2019 levels of growth again. Yeah, Corsair up 80% in 11 days. Been killing it, yeah. What's up, Carl Hoffman? Thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome. Thanks for all the new freaking subs. We're now just at a point where, you know, I've covered most stuff. You know, we've done requests. The stream has been a successful stream. Everyone's up to date on what's happening. Right, Bitcoin could at any time start turning around to the upside to test 19,378 again, which again is all that really matters. Nothing else matters right now. You must have that number in your mind, as we had 11,463, 9,600, 8,500, all of these areas. Remember, you had them burnt in your mind watching the stream? Well, this is the new one. This is the next one, 19,378.
True international under pressure.
Another arrogant spin from your favorite
Scared
new
with Toasty,
annual
man.
Patreon smile. You should just get these chugs out of the way tonight. You don't want to start 3 deep tomorrow.
Dude, Toasty, thank you for the 10. Well, it's only 2, and this one won't land on Chug. It's impossible. Even though it was close. Thank you, dude. Toasty. So look at that, chat. Toasty, the new annual patron. Thank you so much, man. I really, really appreciate that. That's all freaking world. I mean, that speaks leaps and bounds on what you think about what I'm doing here. Keeping it going, man. Thank you, dude. But again, only 2 chugs. Easiest play of my life. It'll be the easiest chugs I've ever done. It'll be a record high on easiness. Mutual Toasty, dude. Are you in the Discord? You need to be in the Discord, dude, or you're going to be destroyed, okay?
Bruh.
Thank you, dude. What's up, Alan? Spin. Yeah, easy, man.
True international under pressure.
Here it is.
Cheers
It
to
won't be chug.
Toasty. Now spin.
Nope, no chug, dude. Wrecked. What's up, Podster? Thanks for the follow on Twitch. What's up, Potatoes? Thanks for so on YouTube. It's my full-time job. Yeah. Batish CPA, man. Are you salty? I mean, you know what's going to happen, right? November, or is it December 19th. You know what's going to happen to LSU, right? The reckoning will be occurring where LSU will get blown out, like embarrassed. So, by Alabama. How long are we streaming? I don't know. It's about to start wrapping it up right there. I don't know. The spins keep coming in. What's up, True Conspiracy? Thanks for following Twitch. Twitch.tv/MitchRayTA if you want to follow me or sub to me over there. If you have an Amazon Prime account, you have a Twitch Prime sub, a free one, and you can subscribe to me over there to support the channel. What was the trivia? True Conspiracy, thank you for the Twitch Prime sub. There you go. Really, really appreciate that, man. Supporting the stream. So I don't have that application open, Toasty. What happens is it's like I already have enough problems. It's not because I think it's software. Software is just, there's too much of it. Too many graphics. I don't have that open, that filter. I have to close out of my broadcasting software and then open that. And that has to be on in order for me to use it. So I'd have to start the stream with it. So far, DGB is just pulling back right at that local high from September, late September. No, I do not play video games. No, I used to play video games like hardcore back in my late teens, early 20s, but not these days. Trading charts became that game.
No whammy, no whammy. Spin.
Okay. Nothing, dude. Get wrecked. No, I'm gonna pass, Andrew. So still at 570, man, just right there. Right friggin' there. On that breakout point. It's like almost perfect. God. Right, if you could just break it, man, you could just get another markup like you did. Pretty much, where it just went straight up. It's like 593 or so. I mean, it was so bad. Was it really COVID, dude? Probably not. Hey, it's Best Melange, dude. Just nonchalantly just shows up in the chat, man. What's up, dude? Buy US dollar? Nah, man. It's nasty, dude. Oh wow, nice Gartley on ETP. Wow, fantastic, dude. Stock Macias. I think it's still a valid invite. Discord. Join it, man. Is it like right now? I don't know about right now. This is like literal time, but yeah, it's been dumping. Nah, not really. It's good though. I like it. I like seeing what's going on with the US dollar. I mean, it's because cause and effect what they've done. Yeah, it's at $92 10 cents right now. Hey, the great news is here. We just had a bearish engulfing candle. Good. And if you get a say you get 22 hours 31 minutes.
Tip to my witcher concha.
Thanks, Matt, man. Appreciate it, dude. And to say you just closed right now on the daily, it'd be the lowest level where traders settled up on the DXY since April 27th. So, yeah, very bad stuff for the US dollar, which is exceptionally good for Bitcoin. Hence why Citibank gave a $318,000 prediction, and at the same time, on the same day, gave a prediction that the US dollar, the DXY, would be down 20% by the end of 2021. So we're just hanging out at 19,185. Been live for 2 hours and 30 minutes pretty much. So just looking at the beauty of the the bear flag measure move. It's around 8%. It would take you down to $84 and change. It's nasty, dude. Once this ice line breaks, dude, right here, it's over, dude. There could be a very, very disgusting move down. And you're just, look, you tested it once, had a big bounce, lower highs consecutively, and you're right back at it. You're just hugging it. That is like a perfect indication of weakness, where you just don't spend this much time around a value area where people would take longs before it cracks. Okay, absorption's going on. Sellers absorbing the remaining demand at these levels. Okay, it's very bad. It looks awful technically. OMG broke resistance. Okay, sweet. OMG. We were looking at that one right earlier today. It's breaking resistance, where you know the target. The next target's 536, but probably 586. Okay, you're trying to break it. I mean, you're close. There's a couple wicks, you know. So I mean, if we're gonna be really conservative here, well, let's just have 448 there too. They just that high from September 4th of this year. SKMZ, thank you, man, for the Twitch Prime sub, supporting the stream. Really, really appreciate that. Cheers, dude. It's alright, OMG, man. Let's get about 448, and I'll feel a little bit better about it. But because like you'll start seeing like really high markups. Yeah, twitch.tv/MitchRayTA. That's it. Yep. Hey, DevTech Games, man. Thanks so much for the Twitch Prime sub. Really appreciate it. Yeah, it's like a manual thing. You gotta, every month you gotta manually resub and stuff. I think with Amazon Prime, what everyone in here has an Amazon Prime pretty much, so that means that everyone could subscribe to me on Twitch for free. Coinbase is spending on margin trading starting tomorrow. Oh boy. Oh boy. Guess I'm already pulling back. What's up, Pages, man? Yeah, XLM was up 10%. It's only up 2.4% now. 2.1% now. Wow. Yeah, big pullback on XLM. But at these levels, and its levels, man, you can't be surprised by any kind of insane, volatile, and violent price action. Sorry. One Bitcoin cost 2.8 million Jamaican dollars. Get wrecked, Jamaican dollar. What's up, Golden Luck? Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Cheers. Twitch.tv/MitchRayTA. What's up, Hugo, man? Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Golden Luck, thank you for the Twitch Prime sub, supporting the stream. Really, really appreciate that, dude. Especially holidays, you know. Holiday, I mean, it's like most important, I guess. Because you're going to be shopping a lot on Amazon. Official something. Thank you for the follow. What's up, Chubb? Thanks, dude. Does it cover crypto, man? I don't think so, dude. Okay. Don't think so. Alright. So it's been a good stream. I think I'm gonna call it for now so I can try to get back to normalcy a little bit, you know, and the whole... You know, in life you're supposed to not be streaming more than you're actually streaming. So I need to maybe get back into that. because my life's been completely engulfed by charts, Bitcoin. That's like all my life is now. So the song, I don't really like it. So. You know what we gotta do, man, on Bitcoin, okay? You know what we gotta do. 19,378, you must break it. If you break that, really high probability you're gonna run up to 19,847 and test all-time highs. I'll try to be around if it happens. I'll have my alert set up, right? I'm gonna be on standby, like a somewhat of a freaking meteorologist, you know, that's it's like bullish tornado watch at all times now. We're gonna have to break it and go live when we get a bullish tornado touchdown. Okay. So again, be sure to hit that like button, that bell, that sub on the way out. Thanks so much for the likes, love, support, contributions. My God, Brian, man, thank you so much for the annual Patreon membership pledge. That's huge, dude. That is like that is pretty much the single greatest way to support the stream is by annually joining the Patreon. Okay, where you get trade setups, educational videos, and an extremely active fraternal order of traders in the Patreon chat that never sleeps. So I will be back. Till next time. Respect the TA. Please clap.
way!
Bruh.
I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.